That's a Rockefeller chain. I was sending bricks to Harlem back when Jay was still with Dame. I'm for leave child. I gotta protect on. Okay, break it down. Break it down.
Oi gente, aqui sou eu, Sarah. Estou aqui de volta com vocês e hoje vocês vão conhecer uma das minhas melhores amigas.
Oi gente!
Sofia! É a primeira vez que ela faz parte aqui do nosso canal. E, pois é, Sofia. Então, primeiro vocês vão conhecer mais um pouquinho sobre ela. Então, Sofia! So, yeah, your name is Sofia. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 15.
You're 15!
Yeah.
And, what's your favorite food?
What's my favorite food? What is my favorite food? Popcorn.
Popcorn. Ela ama, gente, pipoca. Toda vez que ela vem pra minha casa, ela sempre come pipoca. Tipo, toda vez que ela sempre tá na minha casa. Tipo, eu não sei como é a primeira vez que ela tá fazendo parte do vídeo. Mas, pois é. Tipo, do meu canal, do YouTube.
You can take this part out of it. I'm grabbing popcorn.
Ela tá indo pegar pipoca. Claro, por causa que ela ama pipoca. Mas é claro. Então, continuando. So, Sophia, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two.
So, really, that's cool. Are they like girls or guys?
You know this!
But they don't know it!
It's a boy and a girl.
There's
Camila and Diego. Me llamo Sofía y yo tengo un muy bueno amigo, Sarah. I'm just joking.
Amiga, not amigo.
I know,
You
it
said it wrong.
was a joke. It was a joke. Let's see what it is without joke.
A gente vai trollar nosso amigo. Trollar que se fala em português, nem sei. Mas aqui você fala prank call. Faz o troque. É, tem que fazer um troque. Yes.
Babe. I want to say babe. Babe. Hello?
Yeah.
Hey, so...
Hello?
Hey.
Baby!
Hey. Hey, what's up, dude? Oh, dude. It's Dale, man. I miss you.
I had too much sugar today. And I'm kind of really hyper.
Yeah?
Yeah. So, I need help. What's the next one? What's the next one?
Why is your number showing up as no caller ID?
I don't... Who do you think this is?
Sophia.
Everyone knows you. I'm so nice. I'm not.
Hey, babe.
Who are you?
Babe, on your way home, can you grab some toilet paper from Kroger?
Who are you? I don't know you. Why do you keep calling me?
Who is it?
Why would you do
I
that?
don't know. Why do you keep
We're gonna call him again. We have to do this to annoy him. Hey, Sophia, do you want me to get you a tampon?
Okay, one more time if you hang up, I'm literally breaking up with you.
House of Beauty, this is Cutie. How may I help you? House of Beauty, this is Cutie. How may I help you?
You make it. It's a bit like
Wow.
I understand sometimes. I
That's a look at
understand.
Portuguese. Eu tô filmando.
Eu tô
I have to
filmando!
explain again.
Eu tô
I have to
filmando!
explain again.
That was a fail.
Gente, passa bem isso. A Becca não tá participando do vídeo, quase que ela tá muito cansada, ela tá dormindo.
Okay, let's go wake up Becca.
Vamos acordar. Cadê a Becca?